this is Hemal. I just attended a session on social and emotional learning with Chumor ma'am. And I think the session overall was very insightful. It is the need of the hour today with the number of mental health issues that we hear about in the news. What this session did was actually, as teachers or as caretakers for children, it takes us back to a step where we can correct these issues at a younger level, and so that they don't compile as they grow up. So things like self-awareness, self-management, how do you address them? How do you bring it out in children at a younger age, start young, so that they are emotionally stronger as they grow old? So it was a great session. Thank you.